Hey, good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a couple days since I did that kind of the first little intro. Obviously right now we are putting on the sleeves for the tie rods. Again, super good upgrade, especially if you're going to put larger tires on, or even if you're just going to do some off-roading. These can save a day, or they can also, if you don't have them, they can be kind of almost a dead stop to you.
Oh, is that where he did it?
Yeah.
Bigger problem is that a flatbed, including pipe clamps and tape, and of course none of it works.
Because it's kind of need that. So it's like 5 in the morning, so I just got bored, so I figured I'd come by start this project. So it's a super simple install. I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. Again, I'm assuming that you guys know how to jack up your trucks, so let's just jump right into it. So like I was saying, it's actually a super easy install. Let me just grab my flashlight. Oh, there. That's good. I still got sand all the way up here from Michigan. Get that all nice and cleaned out. So basically, it's sitting right here. We're gonna undo. Basically, all you were doing is taking this. I'm popping this off again, since when we put the the leveling kit on. We're just popping this off and then undoing this bolt and sliding this up. The one thing you want to be careful about is how far, where this nut is actually at. So what we're going to do is just break this off. We're going to mark it, like where this part is at, or the actual arm itself. Then we're gonna spin it off, and we're gonna lube this up with some Loctite. So, like I said, I believe this was a 21, which I got right here. I believe it's a 21. Yes, I was right. So it's a 21 mil, and we're gonna undo this, and then. See what this one is. Ooh, that's a bigger one. That one may be a 22. No. All right. Well, guess what? We're gonna go with one of these. There you go. So you just can spin this thing all the way off. Spin that upwards a little bit, and then what I would do, kind of mark where your where your joint is at right here, just so you can see what, however you guys. Oh, grab my flashlight. Oh yeah. Show you. I don't know how well it's gonna pop up, but you see right where my little permanent marker is right there, and you kind of know exactly where the stopping point is for your little I forgot what they call it. Don't ask me why. It's kind of blanking my name here. For your little connecting rod here, or we'll just call it connecting rod. So then now all we have to do is unbolt this, smack it out, spin this off, spin off the bolt, and then we're gonna slide it right back up. So and if you do this before, if you live in the Midwest like me, this is gonna make it a lot easier before it starts snowing, and no rust. So it should be pretty simple. No, forgot we need a 10 mil up there. What I do, I usually spin this nut around, so when I'm gonna whack it with a hammer, it should just theoretically pop out. Since it's basically still like a brand new truck, there shouldn't be any rust in there that really sees it up. So that's just what I like to do, is just to whack the top of this bolt. I highly recommend not using kind of like one of these kind of hammers. I would get like a soft blow hammer, or even like a rubber mallet. If I can't find my big honking one, must have misplaced it or my son took it somewhere. So grab a piece of wood. There you go. Just a couple little whacks. It should just pop right out. No, I don't feel like I'm caught on here. Just have to move this around. So then, like I said, all you have to do is remember right where you kind of put that and undo this, because this is the weakest part of an IFS version. It's right here. Oh yeah. You know, I was gonna first say use some anti-seize, but then as soon as you back this bolt down, it's gonna smear, so you're gonna lose where your position of where this is gonna be at. So there's that. So like I said, I still have my blue mark right there. So you should know exactly where it is. It's pretty simple. Undo this bolt. And since it's still brand new, you can almost see exactly where the lineup point is, since it hasn't been touched with outside yet and it hasn't really corroded down through there. So that's all it is, just this little nut. So let's jump back on the tool table here for a second. We'll just get it all kind of set up here. Sorry, I've been going through all my sockets, so it's a little bit of a cluster mess. So if you're like me that usually gets anti-seize everywhere, get some throwaway gloves. So one thing, make sure all the burrs and everything are out of the threads, especially if you don't have a tapper. Just kind of run your finger right through it, or like a rag, and help kind of break that down a little bit. These ones are actually really good. Like I said before, these are very good quality, and like what they did there, level up. So it does come with some anti-seize. Just because it came with it, I'm just going to use it. Because what else am I going to use this little packet for? I would highly recommend putting some here. And then if you have a tube, this is just what I would recommend in case for some ever stupid reason you ever need to. If you have the little arm, what I would do is just kind of put some down in here. So we're just going to grab obviously one, and it's going to go this side where the thread sides are going to be facing towards the wheel. This part right here is going to slide upwards. So, oh, grab my flashlight. Hold on a second here. It's gonna mess it up. So what's gonna happen now? You're just gonna basically hand tighten this thing, and I think what's gonna happen? It's gonna lock on right up here to really make this thing fully stronger. That should be good right there. So that's all the way locked up. So I actually can see my mark, which I should have done was just put the anti-seize up there and whatnot. I shouldn't have actually put them on the threads. So grab my rag. Right there. Okay, go right there. Then screw this part back down. Well, that thing's solid. Oh yeah. And that's all. That's literally all you have to do. This bolt, unscrew it, put that in, and this thing, this thing is solid. So what makes it even a little bit more stronger now that this is like one solid bar. It kind of links up here, and I mean that thing ain't going anywhere. That thing definitely is going to help make it stronger than this, because it goes thick, skinny, then back to a thick bar. So definitely would highly recommend. This is probably one of the best. So that is basically the install. We're gonna do the other side. I'm just gonna probably put it on time lapse real quick, unless I come across something, but it should be just like that, a nice simple install. So yeah, and then we'll talk about it. That's a super simple install. It literally took me to the other side probably 5 minutes or so. Very simple. They do highly recommend putting or taking it to get an alignment. If you do it right, you should be all right. I think I'm gonna have to and whatnot, but I think it'll be all right. We'll take it around the block, see how she feels, and yeah, super install. The quality is amazing, like just like the leveling kit on here is super nice, super good quality metal that they use, and it's a thing that's going to help save you from breaking on the trail or just even driving on the road. I've seen them snap even with stock tires. You know, you hit a bad bump, bend it, and it can ruin your day. So I mean, for a simple $89 part or so, whatever it costs, for a 5-minute job, super helpful, makes that little spot stronger than factory. So I would highly recommend getting it, and just another thing to be in the garage for. So if you like this video, I would greatly appreciate you guys hitting the like button, and if you haven't, hit that subscribe button for me, please. I would greatly appreciate it. It does me wonders, and it helps out this channel. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.